played a couple of games. Remember, were you here with Michelle Portions and she did that
That's
lesson?
not too bad. Leave it.
Hurricane, yeah. And there were a couple games at the end, and they were like to push the envelope on stems or push the envelope on something, and they would leave it. It was the end, and it got them all jazzed up. So we'll put our heads together and do something fun like that. And of course, we're going to try to have a couple fun runs. You know, at least one with the
the expo?
the expo. She has a pet expo here, if you're not familiar, where they have all kinds of dog activity demos, and then we run a fun run all day in the one field for Jody. So you can come and you get like a bracelet, you can run as many times as you want, or you can just run a couple times or something. So that's always we would hit summer with the good weather. You know, the last few years we've been horribly rainy.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Right? But if we hit a decent day, I think people would, stay for a while, go eat lunch. You know, they have a chuck wagon place that comes, and so that'd be good. I'm gonna have to take those down because these guys are even getting wild. The shepherd shook them all.
You know, the last time she does it going this way almost all the time, and she's a slowpoke going that way.
Which is funny because all the dogs are down here.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, good for her.